E pacho kaendi jakom mar AFC Franklin Bet owacho ni chenro mag keto lokruoge pod dhi mbele ka bende girito permits kowuok e migepe mopogore opogore. Bet oloso e kinde nyasi mar goyo oriti ne Managing Director Manoeri Lucas Meso mosetiyo kod AFC chakre higa mar 2011. Rose Ochanda ma en jagoro mar AFC emakoro dhi bedo Managing Director Makojolo.
An agriculture bank which cannot be described the same way you are describing KCB, you are describing Equity Bank, you are describing all this. It will be a bank which is meant for agriculture and agriculture alone. We are still there. We are still there.
We have maintained sustained profitability for the last 8 years, 9 years. We've also been able to move the institution from a deep performer to AA.
Having been entrusted with the responsibility of staying in the helm for a short while before we get the substantive managing director, along with the management team and the staff of the corporation, we have promised that we shall do our best and ensure that the organization does not deteriorate